We are east of Santa Cruz, the capital of Tenerife. There are lots of cats here. We are at Playa de las Gaviotas. Hey kitties! This is so cute. So, I haven't seen a lot of cats on this island, but if you want to go and see some cats, go to Playa de las Gaviotas. Playa de las... Oh, look at that! Look. Oh, little kitten. So this is Cat Town. This is a place where cats live. How cool is that? Not only a place where cats live, but also the nude beach of Tenerife. At least for the locals, the people who live in the capital of Santa Cruz. It's a beautiful black sand beach. It's early morning, so there aren't a lot of people yet. That's also why I came here early morning, because I was afraid that I wasn't going to be able to film anything if I was going to be here a bit later in the day. There are already some nudists out and about, walking around. It's a beautiful beach. It's in the top 5. It has a southeastern orientation. The sun comes up in the east, tuck, 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 south. So you won't see a sunset here, but it's a beautiful beach for the start of the day. And it's also a beautiful beach to pet a kitty. Very, very nice. More cats on that end. Okay. Let's walk to that end and film some more. So at the far end, the west side of the beach, there's a little private beach. And this is the rest. Really beautiful. I may come back here later in the day for a dip, because now I'm first gonna go to Playa de Benigo. Go check that video out once it's published. And that should be a really beautiful beach just on the other side, so in the northeast of the island. So let's go there. If we got some time left, I'll be back here for a dip. Playa de las Gaviotas. See you later.